This your boy Corvette Rome. I'm out here with another one today. I'm out here at another car show. This is the team car show. We out here doing a nice day for the community. You know, representing your boy out here representing himself and representing the tour team. It's a Corvette Rome. You know, another one. You know, another one. I got my boy right here. You know what I'm saying, the organizer of the event.
What's good, what's good?
You know, we got the organizer.
Boy President Toretto, Tour Team Car Club, Lights Over the City Part 2, Battle for the Belts, baby. We out here.
Then you got my boy Marv right here.
What's up, man?
Tour team. You know, we all came out here to represent today, you know. We all out here having fun, so we're gonna show y'all some nice cars, some nice lights and everything. We're gonna get it going today. You know, the boy got that drone footage on deck too, you know. All that gonna be coming up in the video. What's up, y'all? What's up? What's up? We out here. We out here. Look at my girl Didi over here with her little Siberian husky. Look at her. Oh, little husky. Got it on camera, yeah. Didi got you on camera, baby. Ooh, see, look at you.
Make me sick, my baby.
Look at you up there blushing. Look at you. Look at you up there blushing. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Go Dogs! Look at you.
Oh, he took it all off. Didn't he have the Georgia thing, the bulldog and all?
Yeah, he took it off, but he still got the sign on the side.
Okay. What, Rome? What?
I'm looking at you, baby. I'm looking at you. She look at you.
I'm gone.
She look at you.
I'm gone.
Hey,
I'll be back.
I gotta mess with you today. I don't mess with you that often, Didi. I don't mess with you that often.
Can I call police first? Okay.
Say, I got it all on video.
Get him.
Oh, I had one of you. I know what to do to you. I give you some red steak. Oh yeah, it's finna get chilly.
I thought you was bringing.
Audible.
Yeah.
With the light on there. And the mic.
And the mic.
Good. Yeah, come on over to the GoPro world, man. Come on over to the GoPro world, man. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Race motorcycles. I had GoPro.
I know.
Yeah.
Nah. Oh, here we go. We got the Batmobile over here. We got the Batmobile Camaro. Should have brought out his vet today, but I decided to bring out the boss hog today. So, but next time, stay tuned. The vet will be out at tonight's show. That's a part 2 to this video that's gonna come out tonight. So you will see the vet in this show. Mine's out here. This is one of my friend's cars. Oh yeah, I got a Corvette. Mine's at home. I didn't bring it today. I brought the big Navigator over there today. Oh yeah. See, look, see, I ain't the only one. I ain't the only one, Miss DD. Look here, we got Mr. Pennywise right here. We got the Pennywise car right here. We got the Pennywise car right here, boys. See, we got the Pennywise. The Pennywise Camaro. Check that out right there. Now we got the Ghost Rider whip right here. Got the Ghost Rider. You know what I'm saying? With the Ghost Rider on the side right there. You see it. Ghost Rider whip. You know what I'm saying? With the light. We got that lime green thing right here, the lime green thing. I like to call it the green machine. That thing set low with that wide body kit. I like that wide body kit. This thing set low, boy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that thing. It's touching the ground. Look at the eyes on that thing. Look at the eyes, boy. Look at the eyes on that thing. Okay, we got this. I got this a snake joint right here. We got the Lambo doors on here. I don't know how good this come off on camera, but check out the detail right there. Look at the detail. Oh, we got my man right here. And No Limits. Got the No Limit. No Limit Challenger. Got my man right here. He getting choked out right here with the rope. Oh, check out the detail on this thing. Look at the detail.
That one you did. This one is like crazy.
The detail. The Walking Dead car. That's what this is. The Walking Dead car. See that? Look at the Walking Dead theme up there. Hood line.
A couple vendors saying, yeah, it was stone like down. So we're trying to do a little convention, but
So you can
U.S. veteran car. That's my boy Sean right there. That's Sean right there. What's going on?
Everybody come out. March, May 28th. Car show. King Cars and Rush. Follow us on IG. Y'all
That'll work. We got the Venom. We got the Venom Camaro. VVT direct injection. She got the lights down there. She got the lights in the steering wheel right here. That's dope. She got the lights in the steering wheel. Tonight is all about the lights. You got the lights in the headlights.
Bright like a diamond.
What's going on, y'all? Well, up here at our food vendor up here at the show. About to get, about to get something to eat right quick. You know what I'm saying? I tried the sausage earlier. The sausage was hitting. The sausage was hitting one.
Miss Highway Home. Oh, you got your baby, so I was talking about you.
I'm my grandbaby. Right. He wants to see alcohol.
Okay, calm down. Christy. And the last of the top 20. Last of the top 20 is Venom. Y'all know we had categories. Let me explain something real quick. This man